Our solar system is an awe-inspiring place. It's a vast, intricate system that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From the ancient astronomers who first charted the movements of the planets, to the modern scientists who send probes to the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system has always been a source of wonder and curiosity. It's a cosmic family of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Each member of this family has its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. The planets with their diverse environments range from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune. The moons, some of which are larger than planets, offer a glimpse into the past and the processes that shaped our solar system. All of them orbit around a single star, our very own sun. The sun, a massive ball of burning gas, provides the energy that sustains life on Earth and drives the weather and climate of the planets. Its gravitational pull keeps the solar system together, ensuring that the planets and other celestial bodies follow their paths. Imagine a giant swirling dance floor in space, with the sun at its center. The planets, moons, and other objects move in a delicate ballet, each following its own rhythm and pattern. This cosmic dance has been going on for billions of years, and it will continue for billions more. That's our solar system, a place of wonder and discovery. It's a dynamic and ever-changing environment, where new phenomena are constantly being observed and studied. From the formation of new stars to the collision of asteroids, the solar system is a laboratory for understanding the universe. From our small planet, Earth, we gaze out at this vast expanse. Earth is our home, the only place in the universe known to support life. But it is just one of many worlds in the solar system, each with its own unique features and potential for discovery. We see planets like bright stars moving across the night sky. These wandering stars, as they were once called, have been observed and recorded by cultures around the world for millennia. Their movements have inspired myths, legends, and scientific inquiry. Telescopes reveal their true nature worlds with their own stories to tell. Through the lens of a telescope, we can see the rings of Saturn, the storms of Jupiter, and the craters of the Moon. These instruments have opened up new vistas and allowed us to explore the solar system in unprecedented detail. Let's embark on a journey to explore these celestial neighbors. We'll travel from the sun to the outer reaches of the solar system, visiting each planet and learning about its unique characteristics. Along the way, we'll encounter moons, asteroids, and comets, each with its own story to tell. Each planet in our solar system is unique, from the rocky worlds of the inner solar system to the gas giants of the outer solar system. Each planet has its own distinct features and history. Some have atmospheres while others are barren and airless. Some have active geology while others are frozen in time. They have different sizes, temperatures, and compositions. Mercury, the smallest planet, is a scorched world with temperatures that can reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with a diameter of over 88,000 miles. Each planet's unique characteristics provide clues about its formation and evolution. Some are rocky, like Earth, with solid surfaces and mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. These terrestrial planets, which include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are composed primarily of rock and metal. They have dense cores, rocky mantles, and thin crusts, while others are gas giants. These massive planets, such as Jupiter and Saturn, are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. They have thick atmospheres, strong magnetic fields, and numerous moons. Their immense size and mass have a significant impact on the dynamics of the solar system. Some are scorching hot, like Venus, where surface temperatures can reach nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus, often called Earth's twin, has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Its extreme heat and pressure make it a challenging environment for exploration, while others are frigid and icy. The outer planets, such as Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants with cold, dense atmospheres. These distant worlds are composed of water, ammonia, and methane ices, and they have unique features such as Uranus's tilted axis and Neptune's strong winds. Our journey begins with the heart of our solar system, the mighty Sun. The Sun is a G-type main-sequence star, and it accounts for 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Its energy drives the climate and weather of the planets, and its magnetic activity creates phenomena such as solar flares and sunspots. From there, we'll venture outward, exploring each planet in turn. We'll visit the rocky inner planets, the gas giants, and the icy outer planets. Along the way, we'll learn about the history and evolution of the solar system and the processes that have shaped its diverse worlds. We'll uncover their secrets, and learn what makes each one special. From the towering volcanoes of Mars to the icy geysers of Enceladus, each world has its own unique features and phenomena. By studying these worlds, we can gain a better understanding of the processes that have shaped our own planet. Get ready for a cosmic adventure. As we journey through the solar system, we'll encounter wonders beyond our wildest imagination. From the rings of Saturn to the storms of Jupiter, the solar system is a place of endless discovery and exploration. So buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable journey through our cosmic neighborhood. The Sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas that shines brightly in our sky. It is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. This fusion process converts hydrogen into helium, releasing an immense amount of energy in the form of light and heat. It's the reason we have life on Earth. Without the sun's energy, our planet would be a frozen, lifeless rock. The warmth and light from the sun create the perfect conditions for life to thrive. The sun's immense gravity holds our entire solar system together. It keeps the planets, including Earth, in their orbits, ensuring a stable environment for life to develop and evolve. It's like the anchor of our cosmic dance. Each planet, moon, and asteroid moves in a delicate balance orchestrated by the sun's gravitational pull. The sun is enormous, over 100 times wider than Earth. To put it in perspective, you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. If the sun were a basketball, Earth would be a tiny peppercorn. This comparison helps us grasp the vast difference in size between our planet and its star. Its surface temperature is a scorching 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is what we feel as sunlight, warming our planet and driving weather patterns. Deep inside, the sun's core is even hotter, reaching millions of degrees. This is where nuclear fusion occurs, producing the energy that powers the sun, and ultimately, life on Earth. The sun is a very active star. Its surface is constantly changing, with powerful eruptions and magnetic storms. It has giant storms called solar flares that erupt from its surface, sending out bursts of energy. These flares can be so powerful that they affect space weather and can even disrupt satellite communications on Earth. Dark spots on the sun, called sunspots, are cooler areas caused by intense magnetic activity. These spots can be larger than Earth and are often the sites of solar flares. These sunspots and flares can affect us on Earth, sometimes disrupting our communications. They can also create beautiful auroras, or northern and southern lights, as charged particles interact with our atmosphere. The sun is the source of all our energy. It drives the water cycle, powers photosynthesis in plants, and influences our climate and weather. It provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Without the sun, our planet would be a dark, frozen wasteland. Plants use sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis. This process converts carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen, providing the foundation for the food chain. And we rely on plants and animals for our own energy. The food we eat, whether plant or animal, ultimately derives its energy from the sun. The sun is truly the life-giver of our solar system. Its energy sustains life, drives our weather, and shapes our environment. We owe our very existence to this magnificent star. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, a tiny world that holds many secrets. Despite its size, Mercury has a fascinating story to tell. It's a planet of extremes, where the environment is both harsh and intriguing, and the closest to the sun. This proximity to our star means that Mercury experiences some of the most intense solar radiation in the entire solar system. The sun looms large in Mercury's sky, dominating the landscape with its fiery presence. It's a rocky planet, much like our own Earth but with a very different personality. While Earth is teeming with life and covered in vast oceans, Mercury is barren and desolate. Its surface is a testament to the violent history of our solar system, marked by countless craters and ancient lava flows. Imagine a world of extreme temperatures, a desolate landscape, and a sky that's always black. That's Mercury. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means that the sky never changes color, remaining a perpetual black even during the day. This gives the planet an eerie, otherworldly feel. Because it's so close to the sun, Mercury is incredibly hot. The daytime temperatures can be unbearable, reaching levels that are unimaginable on Earth. The sun's rays beat down relentlessly, heating the surface to scorching temperatures. During the day, temperatures can soar to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat is due to Mercury's lack of a significant atmosphere, which means there's nothing to shield the surface from the sun's intense heat. At night, however, with no atmosphere to trap heat, temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below zero. The temperature swing between day and night is one of the most dramatic in the solar system, making Mercury a planet of extremes. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, almost non-existent. This exosphere is composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. However, it's so thin that it doesn't provide any meaningful protection or weather patterns. This means there's no air to breathe and no protection from the sun's intense radiation or the impact of meteoroids. The surface is constantly bombarded by space debris, leaving it pockmarked with craters. As a result, Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, covered with scars from billions of years of collisions. These craters tell a story of a planet that has been shaped by the forces of the universe, a silent witness to the history of our solar system. Mercury orbits the Sun incredibly fast, completing one trip in just 88 Earth days. This rapid orbit means that a year on Mercury is much shorter than a year on Earth. The planet's swift journey around the Sun is a testament to its unique position in the solar system. That's why it's named after the swift-footed Roman messenger god. The god Mercury was known for his speed and agility, traits that are mirrored in the planet's rapid orbit and dynamic environment. This small, scorched world may seem harsh and unforgiving, but it holds clues to the early formation of our solar system. By studying Mercury, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of how planets form and evolve, providing insights into the history of our own planet and the broader cosmos. Section 4. Venus, the Veiled Planet. Venus is our closest planetary neighbor. It's similar in size and mass to Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a world of intense heat, crushing pressure, and a toxic atmosphere. Venus is shrouded in thick, swirling clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than a pizza oven. The thick atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to the extreme heat. The surface of Venus is a mystery. We can't see through the thick clouds with ordinary telescopes. However, spacecraft have used radar to pierce the clouds and map the surface. They've revealed vast plains, towering volcanoes, and craters. Venus rotates on its axis in the opposite direction to most planets, a phenomenon called retrograde rotation. This means the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. The reason for this strange rotation is still a mystery to scientists. Section 5. Earth, our Blue Oasis. Earth, our home planet, is a vibrant oasis in the vastness of space. It's the only world we know of that harbors life. From the vastness of space, Earth appears as a beautiful blue and green sphere, a testament to the presence of water and life. Earth has a unique atmosphere that makes it habitable. It's composed mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, the air we breathe. This atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation from the sun and helps regulate Earth's temperature, keeping it just right for life. Water covers over 70% of Earth's surface, from vast oceans to rivers, lakes, and ice caps. Water is essential for all life as we know it. It's a precious resource that we must protect. Our planet has a faithful companion, the Moon. The Moon's gravity stabilizes Earth's rotation, preventing drastic climate changes. It also creates tides, which play a role in the life cycles of many marine organisms. Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet, a testament to the interconnectedness of life and the forces of nature. Please comment for the part 2, please like and subscribe.